With a click of a mouse, you can earn cash on a whim when you search on Google. It's crazy to think that just by searching on Google and clicking on links, you can earn PayPal cash without any application, no videos and no additions. You can instantly get paid once you hit $5. So if you are interested in earning money just by clicking links on Google, then you're in for a treat because I'll show you exactly that. This is a quick gig that you can do on your free time to earn some cash, to maybe save up for a gift. Maybe you want to pay for something you want, or you just want to have a couple of extra dollars in your pockets. So stay tuned until the very end so you won't miss out on anything important. Now before we go any further, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Now let's get back to the video. So for step number 1, I want you to go to Google. If you haven't already, if you didn't know or live under a rock, Google is a search engine and the largest and most visited site in the whole World Wide Web. No site has ever been as popular as Google.com. And with that, I'm sure that you know that it is visited by hundreds of millions of people day by day, and I'm pretty sure that you too use Google on a daily basis. Now I want to show you something. When you try to search for, let's say we're searching for local cafes or any type of business in any place in the world, I will just be using local cafes as an example. Don't worry, with this strategy you do not need to contact any of these businesses, you don't have to sell anything at all you have to do is click on links. But before I show you how, let me show you something real quick. Now let's say you want to go and eat at a cafe near you, so you go to Google and search for local cafes in your area. Doing so, Google will show you these results. You'll probably pick one that you like and want to eat there now from the first page. With that, you won't bother to go to the second page and beyond. And that's what happens most of the time. So those cafes that are on the 5th page, on the 10th or even those on the 2nd page, they're usually not getting any clicks and they're losing a lot of revenue since every time someone Googles local cafes, they just go ahead and pick the ones from the first page. And that is why large companies and businesses are willing to pay millions of dollars just to be on the first page of Google so that they will attract more customers in the long run. It involves the use of a technique known as search engine optimization, also known as SEO. When users search for a term, search engines such as Google use SEO to determine how valuable a site is and how high to rank it. For example, if you search for a term, click on a site and stay there for a few minutes, Google will consider it as a good site and rank it higher. Because Google is the most popular search engine, businesses are ready to pay a lot of money to be at the top of their results. Now let's move on to the second step. I want you to go to Google and type in the search bar, Mozilla Firefox. Yes, that other browser, not Google Chrome but Mozilla Firefox. I want you to install this web browser by clicking on the Download Firefox button right up here at their official website, mozilla.org. Don't worry, Firefox is just the same thing as Google Chrome and Apple Safari since they're both browsers. But for this video, it is very important that you install and use Mozilla Firefox because the method that we will use is exclusive to this browser. Once you have Mozilla Firefox installed, I want you to head over to google.com again, but this time on Firefox browser, and type in SERPclicks on the search bar. I want you to click on this one right here that says serpclicks.com. Once you click the link, you can see here the SERPclicks homepage. Now how it works is that people actually boost their rankings on search engines using SERPclicks. As you can see here on their homepage, grow your SEO rankings using crowd-sourced click traffic. So these people actually provide real clickers and ranking services as well. And let's say you are a business owner and you want to invest some of your money on search engines so that when people search for your type of business, yours will come out on top and will be most likely to attract more customers. Now, what I want you to do is scroll down to the bottom of this page and under the accounts section, make sure to click on Become a Clicker since this is what we came here to do. We want to click on links and get some money. And as you can see here, we can earn from 5 to 10 cents per click. The minimum payout threshold that they provide is around $5. So that's around 50 clicks. That's just awesome, right? Next, what you have to do is scroll down again until you see click here to join the network button. Click on it and that will then take you to the registration page where you can start filling out all the necessary info. It's free and it works anywhere in the world. Having that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video from. In that way, I can create specific contents for your region in my future videos. Now, just type in your email address, create a password and enter your PayPal account. PayPal account is necessary since this is where they will send you the money that you earn from clicking. You'll need to install SERPclicks extension for Mozilla Firefox. Again, this does not work for Google Chrome, only on Firefox. Click on SERPclicks browser extension now, and it will allow you to download the extension. That is what will be earning us money. After that you will now be able to start making money. The add-on should install in a matter of seconds. Just a heads up for you, once you've accumulated $5, SERPclicks will automatically send you the money every start of the month. As I mentioned earlier, as of now, SERPclicks only processes payment requests with PayPal once a month. And if you don't reach the minimum payout threshold for that month, the balance will carry over to the next month. All in all, if you're searching for a new way to earn money with websites that require no prior job experience and minimal effort, SERPclicks is the best place to be. And that's all there is to it. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to earn $640 per day just by listening to music, which is one of the best ways to make money online.